We'll guide you through how to delete everything from a phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you want to do this. Perhaps you're wanting to go and have a fresh start, or maybe you're wanting to go and sell it or give it to someone else, and so you don't want your data on it anymore. We're going to guide you through how this is done. Make sure this is full guide, but don't skip ahead. So what you can do is you can go and swipe up on your phone like so. Find the option for settings and you want to go and tap on it. You can search for it at the top or swipe across. Now in here, you can go and start scrolling down. What you may want to do is go and consider doing a backup. What you can do is scroll down, find an option for backup, or you can even go and press search in the top right and type in backup. And there you can go and back up your data to Google Drive. I can do it on Samsung on this device. And then you can go and restore it on a new device if you want to. So you can do that if you want. After you've gone and done that, or maybe you don't want to do it, you don't want to go and save anything, what you can then do is go and keep scrolling down, and we're looking for an option for general management, and you want to go and tap there. When this goes and opens up, we can then go and scroll down and find the option for reset. If you're struggling for this, you can go and press search in the top right and go and type in reset. Then you can go and scroll down and find the option for factory data reset. What you can then do is go and tap there. Make sure you understand that all of this data is going to be erased and the accounts, etc. So read it through and make sure you are sure. And then you can come down to the bottom and you can go and press reset. You can enter in your PIN and continue and reset it. And it'll then be ready to be set up from scratch.